how to add or remove widgets on Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So let's dive right in. First things first, to go to your widgets, you'll need to tap on the icon on the very bottom right and it will open up the widgets. Now, to add something, you can see the plus icon. You just have to tap on it and then just choose among the widgets right here, and then you can just tap on pin. So once you tap on pin, it will be added to your widgets. Now, if you want to remove it, you just have to tap on the three dots beside the widget that you want to remove. And then here you'll find unpin option. Just tap on unpin and it will be removed. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching, everyone.